we have our first school participating, which is Baldwin Girls High School.
Oh, come, all be faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye, oh, come and behold him, born the King of angels.
What a truly upbeat and fabulous performance. Let's give it up for Baldwin Girls High School. We request Mrs. Adina Grace, the music teacher, to kindly come up on stage and accept a small token of appreciation. We call upon Mrs. Amla Ratina to kindly do the honors.